Hey, Robbie here from Savestores. I am so excited. We finally got our next generation Janome sewing and embroidery combo machine. It's the Continental M17, arrived in person today, and here is its embroidery arm. And why is it so big? We're all gonna find out. But watch this. We're gonna open this up, and you and I are laying our eyes on this for the first time together. I am so excited. Woohoo! What's in the box? What's in the box? I'm so excited. Gonna open it up, and we got a box in a box with arrows telling me to go out, I guess. I don't know. Let's open this. See where it is. What opens? I don't know. I don't know. We're gonna open and see what's in each and every one of these. Ooh! Notions! Notions! Feet! Oh my gosh, everything. Power cords. Oh, secret trick. I'm gonna put that over here. Power cord. Ooh, cloth guard. That's awesome. Wow, and I'm gonna want this one. So those two are going over there. And we're gonna box this back up. And put dirt over here. Ooh, I'm getting excited. Oh, instruction manual. Embroidery stuff. Walking feet. Whoa. 2 extra needle plates because I'm pretty sure there's probably one on the machine. Pretty cool. There's a straight stitch one. Ooh, I do gotta show you this. Can you show this? So, Janome's straight stitch one actually gives you 3 needle positions. So if you're sewing in the middle, you really just want it straight down the middle. But sometimes you use these 1/4 inch feet and they have guides. And what this does is because it's not a hole, it's an oval, you get basically the same effect of the straight stitch, except you can move that needle position to get that perfect scant quarter. Really neat thing. This is their HP performance plate, which has the needle hole on the far side, and what it does is it puts the machine in the perfect sweet spot, and they have a machine, or a foot, that's designed to use these 3 feed dogs here on the side to give you the most amount of precision sewing the straight stitch, which is pretty cool. Knee lifter. Ooh, are you getting excited? I'm getting excited. Ooh, what's in here? Oh, 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 I opened it backwards, which is cool, because you're gonna get a surprise. Oh, I'm gonna open this up. You ready? You ready? You ready? Ta-da! Oh my gosh. This is awesome. And it's not that heavy. This is crazy. I guess it's just a giant hole. It's just a big hole. Look at that. Oh my gosh. We got a screen cover here. That's smart. Thank you, Janome. Oh, you guys want to see a cool trick? You ready? Oh, it's taped shut. Ready to see a cool trick? Look at that. You want to see another cool trick? What's that? Built-in thread stand. Oh, so cool. For your comb threads, everything. This is built for quilting. This is so cool. And we've got not 1, but 2 touch screens. Oh my gosh. Now we're going over here, and this box is empty. Cool. I'm gonna put these over here. Now let's figure out what is in this one, because this one I haven't seen anything in. Because all they've shown us is pictures of the machine, but not all the other goodies. So let's see what we got. Woo! Oh, it's a big box in a box. We're just gonna open this other box. Woo! This is so cool. What do we got? What do we got? Stabilizer! Yeah! A machine cover. Nice. Embroidered, maybe on the M17, I don't know. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Woo! Okay. Look at the size of that hoop. Literally. It's massive. Comes with it. You don't have to buy it. I love that about Janome. They give you all the stuff. So here's, look at the size of that one. Imagine what quilt block you could put in there. Isn't that awesome? Incredible. Ta-da, 5x7. Ooh. Embroidery quilting kit. Yeah, tabletop long arm in a box. What's in the box? What's in the box? We're gonna find out. It's black, so it's gotta be good. Oh, it is good stuff. Digitizing software in the box. Magnets for their even bigger magnetic hoop. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? All in the box, what a great value. That's awesome. What else we got? Ooh, Janome's famous foot holder. And these are really cool. I'm gonna open this up because this is a really cool thing. Ooh, and it's nice too. I like that. So when we open this, it's got storage for all the feet and accessories that come with the machine. So they all have a home, and I'm willing to bet this will fit in the opening of that arm. But I'm just guessing, These have some new party tricks for embroidery because of the hoop size. We have a new deluxe foot control, which is much bigger and wider for people who like to sew with 2 feet. We also have a secondary pedal that you can activate for more versatility, ease of sewing. And then, see what we got? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here is the arm. Look at that. Big arm for big embroidery. And it's got some cool things. These little covers here. And they're so neat. I want to show you these. So let me walk over here. And I'm going to slide this puppy right on. And it now goes onto the side. Thank you, Janome. And with this, we get, and I gotta get these right. Here we go. These storage bins. They slide right on. Just from the front, slide right on. But they open and you can store stuff in there, and the same thing on the back. And these, I was talking about, give us extra support. So when we're doing really big quilting and you're using the bigger hoops, you can put this on and it gives you extra reach out front. Pretty slick thing. Let me plug this in and turn it on, and that's the unboxing. So this is the new Janome Continental M17, and it is incredible. So watch for more videos. We're gonna be showing you some cool things. This has some very unique, innovative features that are just new to the world and are really, really cool. So this is what I call a next generation sewing, embroidery, and quilting machine. And it just has some really neat features that are first to market, which just means that they're brand new. No one has ever done this stuff before. So we'll turn her on, give you guys a fresh look. Look at that. And I'll show you one sneak peek. Raise the needle slowly. There we go. Look at that. Please remove the hoop. Look at that, it's alive. It's alive. You can see the touch screen over here. Really, really cool. But I want to show you, we have a needle raiser and lower right here. because when you're sitting, reaching over here is hard, which is why they put this screen in here so that you can move the needle and make your adjustments right here next to your project without having to come over here. That's the problem, is these bays get bigger and bigger. This is 13.5 inches. It is giant. Shadow-free work area, so there's no shadows. And this I want to show you real quick before we say goodbye. It's super responsive. So very, very, very quick. So one of the things about Janome, they build iPads. So they literally make robots that build the iPads that they use in the factories. And they're taking that technology, that precision, and plopping it into the sewing machine, and they now have a next level machine. So this is above and beyond the other machines on the market. But if you have any questions or want to follow us to watch and get more details, call 503-775-7283, or like and share, follow Savestores. We have tons of awesome content. We'd love for you to watch. I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.